ఓకే, సో 10 feet by 6 feet. సో ఈ మెజర్మెంట్తో మనం ఒక పోస్టర్ డిజైన్ చేయబోతున్నాం. ఓకే, నేను ఎందుకంటే చిన్న చిన్న పోస్టర్స్ అంటే A3 సైజ్, A4 సైజ్, సో వీటితోటి మనకి క్వాలిటీ ఎట్లా ఉంటుంది మన పోస్టర్ది అనేది సరిగ్గా తెలియదు. మనము డైరెక్ట్ పెద్ద పోస్టర్ తోటి స్టార్ట్ చేస్తే మనకి వాడి క్వాలిటీ ఎంత తీసుకోవాలి, ఫైల్ సైజ్ ఎంత ఉంటుంది, సో అవన్నీ మనం క్లియర్గా అర్థం చేసుకోవచ్చు. సో అందుకే నేను డైరెక్ట్లీ ఒక పెద్ద సైజు పోస్టర్ తీసుకున్నాను. ఇంకా ఇంతకంటే పెద్ద సైజు కూడా నేను తీసుకోవచ్చు. ఓకే, ఇంతకంటే పెద్ద సైజు కూడా తీసుకోవచ్చు. ఇక్కడ అందరికీ తెలుగు వస్తుంది కదా, ఎవరైనా తెలుగు రాని వాళ్ళు ఉన్నారా? ఎవరైనా అందరికి తెలుగు వస్తుందా?
అందరూ తెలుగే సార్.
ఓకే, రైట్, గుడ్. సో చూడండి, సో నేను ఇంతకంటే పెద్ద సైజ్ పోస్టర్ కూడా తీసుకోవచ్చు. కాకపోతే నేను ఎందుకు తీసుకోవట్లేదు అంటే మనకు ఫైల్ సైజు చాలా ఎక్కువ అయిపోతుంది. సో మళ్ళీ మనకు ఒక్కొక్కసారి ఫోటోషాప్ స్లో డౌన్ అవుతుంది ఇంకా పెద్ద సైజ్ తీసుకుంటే. సో ఎందుకు ఆ ప్రాబ్లం అనేసి నేను రీజనబుల్ సైజ్ తీసుకున్నా, 10 feet by 6 feet. అయితే ఫీట్ అనే మెజర్మెంట్ మనకి ఫోటోషాప్లో ఉండదు. ఓకే, మనకి ఫోటోషాప్లో ఏముంటుంది, ఇంచెస్ ఉంటుంది. సో మనం ఫీట్స్ని ఇంచెస్లోకి కన్వర్ట్ చేసుకోవాలి. సో ఎలా కన్వర్ట్ చేస్తాం మనం? సో మీరు ఇట్లా గూగుల్కి వెళ్ళండి, ఫీట్స్ టు ఇంచెస్ కొట్టండి. సో మనం 10 feet by
1 feet = 12 inches కదా సార్?
అవును, ఇక్కడ 10 feet అంటే ఎంత, 120 inches, అండ్ 6 feet అంటే ఎంత, 72 inches. అంటే 120 by 72 తీసుకోవాలన్నమాట. 120 width, 72 height, రైట్? ఓకే, సో ఈ సైజ్ది మనము డాక్యుమెంట్ తీసుకోవాలి. ఇది మన ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్. సో క్రియేట్ న్యూ అనండి. ఇక్కడ మనము ఇంచెస్లో 120 అండ్ హైట్ ఎంత ఉండాలి, 72. అండ్ చూడండి, అన్నిటికంటే మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ థింగ్ చూడండి, దిస్ ఈజ్ ద మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ కాలమ్ బాక్స్. ఇక్కడ కనుక మీరు 300 పెట్టారనుకోండి, మన సిస్టమ్ క్రాష్ అయిపోతుంది. మన ఫోటోషాప్ కూడా అసలు సరిగ్గా పనిచేయదు. అంటే ఫైల్ సైజు చాలా పెద్దగా అయిపోతుంది అన్నమాట. సో అందుకే ఎందుకు తెలుసా, దిస్ ఈజ్ అ వెరీ లార్జ్ పోస్టర్. సో మనం లార్జ్ పోస్టర్ చేసేటప్పుడు రిజల్యూషన్ కొంచెం తక్కువ పెట్టుకోవాలి. సో నేను దీన్ని ఎంత పెడతా, ఒక 72 అట్లా పెడతా. ఓకేనా, 70 కూడా పెట్టచ్చు, నో ప్రాబ్లం. పెట్టేసి నేను అండ్ మన పోస్టర్ యొక్క టాపిక్ ఏంటి, నేను ఒక ఈవెంట్ పోస్టర్ చేస్తున్నాను. ఓకేనా, ఒక ఈవెంట్ పోస్టర్. సో దీనికి డైరెక్ట్ నేను ఒక ఈవెంట్ పోస్టర్ అని నేమ్ ఇచ్చేస్తాను. నేమ్ ఇచ్చేసి ఇప్పుడు క్రియేట్ అందాం. క్రియేట్ అన్న వెంటనే చూడండి మన డాక్యుమెంట్ రెడీ అయిపోయింది. సో ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్ మనము డాక్యుమెంట్ చేసుకోవాలి. సేమ్ థింగ్ యూఐ డిజైన్ అప్పుడు కూడా మనం అదే పని చేసాం. ఫస్ట్ మనము డాక్యుమెంట్ క్రియేట్ చేసుకున్నాం. ఓకే, పోస్టర్కి కూడా అంతే, మనం డాక్యుమెంట్ క్రియేట్ చేసుకోవాలి, రైట్? అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ థింగ్ ఈజ్ చూడండి, ఇక్కడ మీరు పైన చూసినట్టయితే చూడండి, వీటిని రూలర్స్ అంటారు. సో ఈ ఏరియాని రూలర్స్ అంటారు. ఓకే, అండ్ ఇప్పుడు నేను కనుక ఇక్కడ క్లిక్ చేసి ఇట్లా డ్రాగ్ చేస్తాను అనుకోండి, చూడండి ఈ లైన్ ఏదైతే బ్లూ లైన్ ఏదైతే కనిపిస్తుందో దీన్ని గైడ్ అంటారు, గైడ్. ఓకే, రూలర్స్ అండ్ గైడ్స్. నేను మీకు ఇక్కడ జస్ట్ అ మినిట్. సో చూడండి, ఇక్కడ రూలర్స్ కీబోర్డ్ షార్ట్కట్ వచ్చేసి Ctrl+R, గైడ్స్ కీబోర్డ్ షార్ట్కట్ వచ్చేసి Ctrl+H. ఓకేనా, రూలర్స్ Ctrl+R, గైడ్స్ Ctrl+H. ఓకేనా, అండ్ రూలర్స్ ఉంటేనే మనం గైడ్స్ క్రియేట్ చేయొచ్చు, రూలర్స్ లేకుండా గైడ్స్ క్రియేట్ చేయలేము. ఓకే, అందుకే గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి. సో ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఇప్పుడు నేను Ctrl+R క్లిక్ చేస్తాను. సో చూడండి, ఇక్కడ రూలర్స్ వెళ్ళిపోయినాయి. Ctrl+R మళ్ళీ క్లిక్ చేస్తే మళ్ళీ రూలర్స్ వచ్చేస్తాయి. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ద రూలర్స్. అండ్ అలానే నేను ఇట్లా డ్రాగ్ చేస్తే నాకు ఇట్లా గైడ్ వచ్చింది. సో ఈ గైడ్ని హైడ్ చేయాలంటే Ctrl+H కొట్టాలి, మళ్ళీ తెప్పియాలంటే మళ్ళీ Ctrl+H కొట్టాలి. ఓకే, అర్థమవుతుంది అందరికీ?
సార్
ఓకే, సో చూడండి, మనం ఎందుకు గైడ్స్ వాడాలి? ఎప్పుడైనా పోస్టర్ డిజైన్లో మనకి గైడ్స్ చాలా యూజ్ అవుతాయి. పోస్టర్ డిజైనే కాదు, మీరు ఏ డిజైనింగ్ చేస్తున్నా ఫోటోషాప్లో గైడ్స్ చాలా యూజ్ అవుతాయి మనకి. ఎందుకంటే అలైన్మెంట్ అనేది మనకి చాలా అవసరం. మన ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఏవైతే ఉంటాయో, ఇమేజెస్ కానీ టెక్స్ట్ కానీ, సో ఇంకేదైనా ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఏదైతే ఫోటోషాప్లో ఉంటాయో అవి ప్రాపర్గా అలైన్ అవ్వాలి అండ్ ఒకే లైన్లోకి ఉండడం, ఓకే, ఈక్వల్ స్పేసింగ్తో ఉండడం. సో ఇవన్నీ మనము దేంతో చేయొచ్చు? నార్మల్గా పింక్ లైన్స్ హెల్ప్ చేస్తాయి మనకి, అంటే గైడ్ తీసుకోకుండా కూడా మనం పింక్ లైన్స్ హెల్ప్ చేస్తాయి. కానీ ఇన్ కేస్ ఒక్కొక్కసారి మనకు పింక్ లైన్స్తో కూడా మనం సరిగ్గా అలైన్మెంట్ చేయలేకపోతాం. సో ఆ టైంలో మనము గైడ్స్ యూజ్ చేయాలి, ఓకేనా? అండ్ వన్ మోర్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ థింగ్, ఇక్కడ మనకి ఇన్ఫో ప్యానల్ అని ఉంటుంది. ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది ఇన్ఫో ప్యానల్? విండోలో ఇన్ఫో ప్యానల్ చూడండి ఇక్కడ. సో ఈ ఇన్ఫో ప్యానల్లో మన డాక్యుమెంట్ కానీ లేకపోతే మనం తీసుకునే ఇమేజెస్ కానీ, ఓకే, వాటి సైజు, విడ్త్, హైటు, వాటి పొజిషన్, అన్ని వాల్యూస్ మనకి ఇక్కడ కనిపిస్తూ ఉంటాయి. సో ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ నేను మీకు చూపిస్తాను. నేను ఒక మార్కెట్ టూల్ తీసుకుంటా. సో మార్కెట్ టూల్ తీసుకొని చూడండి, నేను ఇట్లా మూవ్ చేసినప్పుడు నాకు ఇక్కడ కూడా కనిపిస్తుంది W/H కనిపిస్తుందా అందరికీ? విడ్త్, హైట్ కనిపిస్తుందా? ఇక్కడ కనిపిస్తుంది, ప్లస్ ఇక్కడ కూడా ఉంది చూడండి మనకి, ఓకే. సో మీరు దీన్ని ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మ్ సెలెక్షన్ చేశాను అనుకోండి, చూడండి అక్కడ నాకు టోటల్గా నేను ఎంత మూవ్ చేస్తున్నాను అనేది నాకు క్లియర్గా తెలుస్తుంది ఇక్కడ ఇన్ఫో ప్యానల్లో. అండ్ ఇవి ఇక్కడ మనకి ఇంచెస్లో తెలుస్తుంది. ఇన్ కేస్ మీకు ఇంచెస్ బదులు మీకు పిక్సెల్స్లో తెలియాలనుకోండి, సో మీరు ఇక్కడ క్లిక్ చేసుకోండి. క్లిక్ చేసి ప్యానల్ ఆప్షన్స్లోకి వెళ్ళేసి ఇక్కడ రూలర్ యూనిట్స్ అని ఉంది. ఈ రూలర్ యూనిట్స్లో ఏం చేస్తాం? మనం పిక్సెల్స్ పెట్టుకుంటాం ఇలా, చూడండి. సో ఇన్ కేస్ మీకు ఇంచెస్లో కాదు పిక్సెల్స్లో కావాలి అంటే, లాస్ట్ క్లాస్ మనం యూఐ డిజైన్ చేసాం. యూఐ డిజైన్లో ఏం చేసాం మనం? పిక్సెల్స్ తీసుకున్నాం 320/480. సో అది ఎందుకంటే మొబైల్ యాప్ అనేది సిస్టమ్ రిలేటెడ్, డిజిటల్ ఆన్ స్క్రీన్ వర్క్ అది. సో అందుకే పిక్సెల్స్ తీసుకున్నాం. సో ఇది ప్రింటింగ్ వర్క్, ఇది పోస్టర్ అనేది ప్రింటింగ్ వర్క్. సో ఇక్కడ మనం ఏం తీసుకోవాలి? ఇంచెస్ తీసుకోవాలి, ఓకేనా? రైట్, ఓకే. సో వన్స్ మనకి ఇవంతా సెట్ చేసుకున్న తర్వాత ఇప్పుడు మనము డిజైనింగ్ స్టార్ట్ చేయాలి, ఓకేనా? సో చూడండి, ఫస్ట్ థింగ్ ఈజ్ మన టాపిక్ ఏంటనేది తెలుసుకుందాం మనం, ఓకేనా? నేను కొన్ని ఆల్రెడీ ఈ మన పోస్టర్కి సంబంధించిన కొన్ని ఫైల్స్ నేను డౌన్లోడ్ చేశాను. సో నేను ఒక థమ్స్ అప్ ఈవెంట్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తున్నా, ఓకేనా? ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చూడండి, నేను ఒక థమ్స్ అప్ ఈవెంట్ ఇన్ పరేడ్ గ్రౌండ్స్, ఓకే, థమ్స్ అప్ ఈవెంట్ ఇన్ పరేడ్ గ్రౌండ్స్ హైదరాబాద్. సో ఇది నా కాన్సెప్ట్ ఇది, ఓకే. అండ్ దీనికి మనకి ఇది దేని గురించి అంటే, ఈ ఈవెంట్ దేని గురించి మనకి, సో చూడండి, కరోనా హటావో ఈవెంట్, ఓకే. హటావో అంటే తీసేయండి, రిమూవ్ చేయడం, ఓకే, బై మహేష్ బాబు, ఓకే. సో దీన్ని స్పాన్సర్ చేసేది ఎవరు అంటే, దీన్ని ప్రమోట్ చేసేది ఎవరు? మహేష్ బాబు, ఓకే. సో అలానే దీనికి మనకి నెక్స్ట్ వచ్చేసి మనకి చీఫ్ గెస్ట్స్ కూడా ఉంటారు ఇక్కడ. సో నేను కొంతమంది చీఫ్ గెస్ట్ని పెట్టినాను. సో చూడండి, రాకేష్ మాస్టర్ ఇట్లా మనకి పూరి జగన్నాథ్, అలానే దేవిశ్రీ ప్రసాద్, ఓకేనా. సో ఇలా కొంతమంది చీఫ్ గెస్ట్స్ కూడా ఉంటారన్నమాట. ఇది అర్థమవుతుంది అందరికీ? సో ఇట్లా పూరి, దేవి అండ్ రాకేష్, సో ఇలా. సో ఇది మన కాన్సెప్ట్ అనమాట. ఇక్కడ థమ్స్ అప్ ఈవెంట్ ఇన్ పరేడ్ గ్రౌండ్స్ హైదరాబాద్, తర్వాత కరోనా హటావో. సో ఈవెంట్కి టైటిల్ అనమాట ఇది, ఓకే. అండ్ తర్వాత ఇది మహేష్ బాబు పోస్టర్, ఓకే, అండ్ చీఫ్ గెస్ట్. సో ఇవి మన కాన్సెప్ట్స్. సో ఇప్పుడు ఈ కాన్సెప్ట్ని మనం తీసుకొని మన పోస్టర్ని డిజైనింగ్ స్టార్ట్ చేయాలి, రైట్? సో ఎలా స్టార్ట్ చేస్తాం మనం? సో ఫస్ట్ చూడండి, దీన్ని మనము 2 సెక్షన్స్లోకి డివైడ్ చేసుకోవాలి మనం, ఓకేనా? సో లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ ఒక సెక్షన్, రైట్ సైడ్ ఒక సెక్షన్ వస్తుంది మనకి, ఓకేనా? సో లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ సెక్షన్లో మనము మన చీఫ్ గెస్ట్లను పెడదాం. చీఫ్ గెస్ట్లు అంటే ఎవరు? మన పూరి జగన్నాథ్, దేవి ప్రసాద్. సో వీళ్ళు మనకి చీఫ్ గెస్ట్లు అనమాట. సో వాళ్ళ ఫొటోసు, వాళ్ళ ఇన్ఫర్మేషను మనకి లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ పెడదాం. రైట్ సైడ్ మహేష్ బాబు అండ్ ఆ ఈవెంట్ యొక్క మనకి టైటిల్, సో ఇవన్నీ మనము ఈ అడ్వర్టైజ్మెంట్స్ అవన్నీ మనము రైట్ సైడ్ పెడతాం, ఓకేనా? సో ఇలా మనము మన పోస్టర్ని డివైడ్ చేసుకుంటాం, రైట్? ఓకే. సో ఇప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ మనము లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ సెక్షన్ మీద ఫోకస్ పెడదాం. సో లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ సెక్షన్ని చూడండి, ఇక్కడ నేను ఫస్ట్ ఒక గైడ్తో స్టార్ట్ చేస్తాను. సో ఎలా స్టార్ట్ చేస్తా చూడండి. సో చూడండి, ఇక్కడ మనకి గైడ్ ఎక్కడ వచ్చింది చూడండి, 0 ఇంచెస్ కనిపిస్తుంది అందరికీ. 0 ఇంచెస్ కనిపిస్తున్నాయా అక్కడ? కనిపిస్తున్నాయా లేదా? ఓకే రైట్. సో చూడండి, 0 ఇంచెస్ని స్టార్ట్ అయ్యి చూడండి, ఇప్పుడు నేను ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఒక మార్కెట్ టూల్ తీసుకుంటాను నేను. సో మార్కెట్ టూల్ తీసుకొని చూడండి, దీన్ని నేను కొంచెం విడ్త్ వైజ్ డివైడ్ చేయాలి నేను, ఓకేనా? సో నాకు రైట్ సైడ్ కూడా నాకు కొంచెం స్పేస్ కావాలి. సో నేను ఏం చేస్తాను, దీన్ని మనం ఒక రౌండ్ ఫిగర్ పెట్టుకుందాం మనం కావాలంటే. అండ్ ఇక్కడ మీకు చూడండి వాల్యూస్ మారుతున్నాయి అక్కడ, ఓకేనా? ఓకే. సో చూడండి, ఇది ఒక సెక్షన్. ఒక్క నిమిషం, నేను మీకు ఒకటి చూపిస్తాను. దీన్ని మనం తీసేయాలనుకోండి, ఇట్లా సింపుల్గా ఈ గైడ్ని ఇట్లా పట్టుకొని ఇట్లా డ్రాగ్ చేసేస్తే ఆ గైడ్ వెళ్ళిపోతుంది, ఓకే? సో మీరు ఇట్లా కూడా మీరు పెట్టుకోవచ్చు. కరెక్ట్ మనకి ఒక ఏదైనా రౌండ్ వాల్యూ వచ్చేలా పెట్టుకోవచ్చు మనం, ఓకే? సో చూడండి, అక్కడ మనకి ఎట్లా వెళ్తుందో అనేది చూసుకోవచ్చు మీరు ఇక్కడ, ఓకేనా? ఇట్లా రైట్. దీన్ని యాక్చువల్లీ మనము ఏం చేద్దాం, కొంచెం ఇట్లా మూవ్ చేద్దాం మనం, ఒక ఇన్ బిట్వీన్ 35 వరకు పెడదాం, ఓకేనా? సో అర్థమవుతుంది కదా? సో ఇక్కడ ఇది సెక్షన్ అనమాట. మనకి ఈ సెక్షన్లో మన చీఫ్ గెస్ట్లు వాళ్ళందరూ వస్తారు, రైట్? సో ఇప్పుడు నెక్స్ట్ ఏం చేద్దామంటే, సో చూడండి, ఇక్కడ మనము న్యూ లేయర్ తీసుకుందాం, ఓకే? న్యూ లేయర్ తీసుకొని నేను ఫస్ట్ ఈ సెక్షన్ మీద ఫోకస్ పెడతాను. సో ఇక్కడ నేను ఒక గ్రేడియంట్ తీసుకుంటాను. సో మనం ఒక గ్రీనిష్ గ్రేడియంట్ తీసుకున్నాం. అండ్ చూడండి, ఇప్పుడు నేను టోటల్గా వస్తుంది ఇక్కడ. సో ఏం చేయాలి, నాకు ఓన్లీ ఇంత ఏరియానే రావాలంటే చూడండి, నేను ఇక్కడ ఒక మార్కెట్ టూల్ తీసుకుంటాను. సో మార్కెట్ టూల్ తీసుకొని ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ ఇలా పెట్టుకొని ఇప్పుడు నేను చూడండి ఇట్లా డ్రాగ్ చేసుకుంటాను, ఓకే? అర్థమవుతుందా? ఇలా, ఓకే? సో ఇప్పుడు మనకు ఓన్లీ ఇంత ఏరియాలో వచ్చింది మనకి. అండ్ మీకు ఇది రిఫ్లెక్టెడ్ గ్రేడియంట్ రావాలంటే రిఫ్లెక్టెడ్ కూడా మీరు పెట్టుకోవచ్చు కావాలంటే, ఓకే? సో రిఫ్లెక్టెడ్ గ్రేడియంట్, ఓకే, రైట్. అండ్ కంట్రోల్ డి, రైట్. సో ఇప్పుడు మనకి లెఫ్ట్ సెక్షన్ వచ్చేసింది. అండ్ రైట్ సెక్షన్ ఎట్లా చేద్దాం మనం? రైట్ సెక్షన్కి చూడండి, సో నేను కావాలంటే ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇంకొక హ్యూమా వచ్చిందా? ఓకే, హ్యూమా, why are you late?
Sorry sir. I'm busy.
Okay, so today full attendance. Okay, right. So where is, right. So once you have completed the left section, okay, now let's complete the right section also. So how to complete the right section? So we will we can actually create the right section here itself. So simply I am going to draw a marquee tool. See, from this guide to the end of the document, and then see, let us give a radial gradient. Okay, we'll give a radial gradient. So we are going to give it a radial gradient. I am going to take a, see, I am going to take light blue and dark blue colors, and then see, always understand this, a radial background is always going to be attractive. So always make it a habit to use radial background for radial gradient for backgrounds. Okay, so just select it, and light color should be inside, dark color should be outside. See, like this, something like this. So this is the thing. So now we have created a left section and right section, and now we are ready to actually put the elements here. Right. So once this is done, see, now the next step is, see, I am going to concentrate, first I will concentrate on this left section. So here I want to put the images of chief guests. Okay, here I want to put the images of our chief guests. So how to put? See here, first thing is, see, first thing is let me get the images here. So I will start with first image. See, I will not take all images, I will start with the first image. Okay, we will take the image of this Devi Sri Prasad. Okay, Huma,
Yes, sir.
what about your assignments? Last class Savari app I told you na. Why, what happened? Why you did not do?
नहीं करी सर,
क्यों, क्या हो गया? इंटरेस्ट नहीं है?
थोड़ा घर नहीं सर, थोड़ा घर में इशू हो रहा है सर कोविड के वजह से.
See, you have to do it, okay, because if not it will be problem for you.
ओके सर.
And what is your next software after this? What is your next software after Photoshop?
माया.
Okay, Maya. Okay. See, and how many anybody is there here? CGPD or APDMD DGWS students? Anybody is there?
సార్ ఉండేవాళ్ళు వాళ్ళు ఆఫ్లైన్ తీసుకుంటారని చెప్పారు సార్.
Okay, means in your batch right now, currently all of you are VFX and 3D, yeah? All of you are VFX and 3D. Huh? Okay, means any IPVAD student is there? Nobody is IPVAD. Okay, I think all of you are a 3D and Maya. I think 3D, Maya and VFX. APDMD, DGWA, CGPD, IPVAD. So nobody is there. Okay. Right. Right. So now we have taken this image of Devi Sri Prasad. So what you will do? See, I am going to take a ellipse tool here. Okay. So I am going to take an ellipse tool. Okay, and what I will do is, see, I am going to put this image of Devi Sri Prasad inside this ellipse. Okay. So how we can put? So I am going to put it above this. Okay. Okay, Santosh Reddy is APDMD. Okay, so means Santosh Reddy, your next course is with me only. I think next softwares are going to continue with me only. Right. So now see here. So I am going to put this image inside this ellipse. Okay, so how to put? So we have to just, anybody can tell how to put this image inside the ellipse?
Alt and click it.
Okay, alt and click in between these two layers. Okay, see here, now the image is inside this ellipse. Okay, so now let me adjust it properly. We want actually 3 images here. So okay, so let me merge these 2 layers now. Control E, so merge, and then Control T. I'm going to make it small little bit. And if you want to know whether it is whether this image is exactly aligned to the center of this section or not, so how you can do that? See, you can just use a marquee tool here, and then you can just draw a selection. Okay, draw a selection around these 2 guides. Draw a selection in between these 2 guides, and then what you can do, take a move tool, and then simply you can click here. See, you can simply click on this align horizontal center. See, now this image is exactly aligned to the center of this section. Are you all getting my point? Are you all getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Right. So we will slightly increase the size, just slightly, not too much, just slightly will increase. Right. So now we will be getting another 2 more images. So just I will give some simple layer style to this. Double click, and let's give it a stroke. We can just see, you can see a light white stroke outside, and you can also give some drop shadow to this. So can you all see the drop shadow? See, you can see some light drop shadow. Don't give it too much. Right. So once this is done, now we will what we'll do is, I'm going to get the one more image. Okay, we'll just take a duplicate of this, Control J, and let me keep it over here. If you don't know whether it is we are able to align it, okay, we'll just take one more. See here, take one more, and then you will understand that. See, you can now understand whether you are doing proper alignment or not. Okay, see here, are you all getting my point? Now we have properly aligned the images, so each image is having equal spacing now. Okay, so now I will get one more image. So let me take the image of this Puri Jagannath. Okay, we'll take this, just drag this image. And one more thing, see here, always try to, because this is a very large poster, understand this, this is a very large poster, so we have to download high quality, high definition images. That is very important. Okay, all of you are able to understand? We have to download high quality images only, especially when we are designing large posters. If you don't download high quality images, it can become blurry. Okay, so that is the one problem you are going to face. So just I am going to make it big, and then let me do the same thing. Let me keep it over here. So I'm just going to keep it inside it. Okay, is it clear, all of you? Is it clear, all of you? Okay, so now we will merge these 2 layers. Okay, Control E. See, I have merged these 2 layers, and just we need only one more image. So Control O, and then we'll get this image. You just drag this. Keep it over here. Okay, we have to keep it over here. So I'll increase the size. Okay, and then just alt and click in between these two layers, right? Right, see here. So we are able to now get all the three images. Now see here, we have empty space. See, always make sure that too much of empty space is not visible in your poster. This is a very important thing all of you have to understand. So what we'll do is, here I am going to put something called title. I will put the title here. So the title is, so I'll say chief guest. Okay, and let me actually merge these two layers also. Okay, like this. And see here, see, when I type the letter or type the words, so they are very small. So I am going to make them big. So I will say 120, 160. So we have to make it even bigger actually. Let me keep it 300. Okay, is it clear all of you? Right. And see, let me use a different font here. Okay, see, this is a Times New Roman, but Times New Roman is not so interesting. So what we'll do, what we'll use Impact. Okay, so Impact is going to be interesting actually. See, Impact font, and then and the next thing what we'll do is, see, instead of keeping the font just like this, see, let us give some attraction to this. Let us give some gradient, and also let us give some text to warp effects. Are you all getting my point? Let us give some text to warp effects for this. All of you know what are text to warp effects?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what we'll do is, here first we'll give a text warp effects here. Just click here, and then I'm going to give it a arc shape. Okay, so something like this. Okay, you can actually increase it if you want slightly, or you can decrease it. Okay, but it should not be too artificial. Okay, it should be too natural. Okay, this much is better, right? So then just come here. Okay, and we'll make it more interesting here. See, I'm going to give a layer style for this. Okay, let me first start with the layer style. Okay, so just I'm going to give it a gradient. See, the background color is green, so we can try something like a magenta. Okay, because opposite of green is magenta, right? So you can try magenta here. And we will use what? We will use reflected gradient. Reflected gradient is going to be interesting. Okay, is it clear all of you? And then next thing is, see, we can give some stroke also for this. Okay, just something like this, right? And we can give some slighter drop shadow also. Okay, is it clear all of you?
Sir.
Right. So we have come till here. So now just one thing we'll do is, see, we are going to give the titles for these persons. Okay, so just we'll take a text. We'll say we'll type in capitals only. Okay, and we have to make it very small. Let's say 100. I think 100 is too small, I think, right? And we'll give it a red color. Red is better. anyways this is going to be a large poster, so you don't have to be worried about this. It will be anyways clear. Okay, so this much size is better. And I think we have to use Times New Roman for this. See, always understand which font you are giving. The font is very important, and alignments are also very important here. So let me align it to the exactly to the center here. Is it clear, all of you? Exactly to the
Yes, sir.
center. And then we will just duplicate this. Okay, we don't have to type again, means we don't have to take the color etc. again, just duplicate this. And then I am going to use shift and down arrow. Shift and down arrow I will use. So we can actually see align it properly. Exactly, try to align it exactly to the center here. Okay, and then we should give a name. What should be the name? Puri Jagannath. Okay, so something like this. And try to save this. Okay, because suddenly if your power goes now, that's it, end of story. And see, it is taking time. See, because it's a large poster, it is taking time. Okay, and then we'll just take one more duplicate and then shift to down arrow. See, shift down arrow is a right way of moving the text, because if you try to move with the mouse, what happens? You may lose the alignments. Okay, that is why always make sure that you try to move it by using arrow keys, right? And what is his name? Okay, that's it. So now this left section is completed. Okay, so we have completed the left section, and now we will be concentrating on the right section. And to make it more interesting, see, I will do one thing. So if you want the poster to be more interesting, we can give some nice backgrounds. Actually, means this is now having a very plain greenish background. Means gradient background, greenish background, but it doesn't have any designs. But in case you want to make it more attractive by putting some design, you can do that. Okay, let me try to get some design from online. So we'll say designs. Let's say background designs. See, we can use some things like this. Okay, certain things. Are you all getting my point? See, don't use these things because these are for traditional things. This is not a traditional poster. Understand that. We are not designing a traditional poster. We are designing something related to corona awareness. So what you can do, see, I can use this or I can use this. So something of this type is nice actually. Okay, so let me save this one. So I am going to put it inside this one. I think we got a web file. Okay, I will just use a snipping tool. So we'll say design. Okay, so now what is the next step we'll do? So we are going to get the design now. We'll save it. So let me get this design. So let me keep it like this. Okay, we have to keep it below. We have to keep it over here. And then what is the thing? See, I can use some these things. Are you all getting my point? See, I can use a blending mode here. Are you all getting my point? See, we can use a blending mode here. We can check which blending mode is going to be interesting here. I think multiply is interesting, right? So we'll stick to multiply. But let us not see this design should not should not cover the radial gradient, etc. So we'll reduce its opacity actually. Okay, it should not be too much. Something mild. Should look mild. Okay, something like this. This is better. So is it clear, all of you? Something like this. Right. You can make it even less. Right. So once this is done, so now what is the next step? So now we will concentrate on the right part. But before that, one thing we'll do. See, let me create a partition here. Okay, let me create something like a one stroke here. Okay, just a very small stroke I am going to create. So how to create? We'll just take a new layer above this layer. Okay. So we have to keep it. It should be very thin actually. Should not be this much thick. So we can use the transform selection. So I can use shift and make it very thin here. Okay. Okay. And then I will just fill it with white color. Alt and backspace. So is it clear, all of you? Is it clear?
Sir.
Okay. So now the next step. So now we will concentrate on the right side. Right. So how we can start with the right side? So first thing is, see, I will get the image of Mahesh Babu. So right side, there is a lot of content. We have to put Mahesh Babu here. So let me actually open it. See, so I have downloaded the image of Mahesh Babu. So I will select. I have to select Mahesh Babu. So how we can select? How we can select now? Anybody can tell? Anybody can tell how to select? Nobody is telling anything. What is my question actually? To select this Mahesh Babu. Huma आपको पता नहीं? Quick selection. Okay. So we can do it with quick selection, but one thing I want to tell you here is here. Here we also need to select his hair here. See? Okay, because his body is having definite edges, but we also have to select his hair. Hair is not having definite edges. So once again I have to go to the channels and do hair selection. So that is a very big headache for me. Instead I will do one thing. So instead there is one simple thing I will tell you. You don't have to go to the channels or anywhere. There is a very fast way of doing hair selections. So what is that fast way? If I directly take this one, I will not get definite edges over hair, and the hair looks artificial. It will be having sharp edges. So I need to find a way to select the hair properly. And see here, what we can do is, see, if you go to the select menu, see, understand it carefully. If you go to the select menu, you are going to have this option select and mask. Understand this. If you go to the select menu, you are going to have an option called select and mask. If I click on this directly, see, if I directly click on this, I think I told you about this when I was telling you this photo manipulation, right?
sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
So okay, when I was telling you photo manipulation, I told you this, but still, see, instead of directly clicking on this, let us hold shift and click. Okay, we'll hold shift and click. So what will happen if you hold shift and click? This refine edge dialog box is going to open. Okay, refine edge dialog box. So what we can do with this refine edge dialog box? See, with this refine edge dialog box, we can just make the hair a little bit realistic. Okay, means right now we have a sharp edges over here. We can remove those sharp edges and make the hair look natural. So how we can do that? See, first we have to select this new layer with layer mask. We'll just click on this decontaminate colors, and then just what we'll do is, see, we will try to increase the size of this icon. Just I will only select the part where we can find the hair. Okay, just this much part, others we can ignore. See, now you can see we got proper hair selection. Are you all getting my point?
Yes, sir.
See, it's a very easy way of doing hair selection.
Yes, sir.
Easy way of doing hair selection. Very fast and easy way, because normally if you use that channels options, there are a lot of steps actually. There is a lot of steps. So instead of going for those lengthy steps, simply you can use this refine edge. And I can just try to change these values slightly. I can change this shift edge. See, you can see the changes over on his hair. See here. Okay, we can just either increase or decrease it. Okay, now it's okay. Now once we are done with this, now just let us drag this Mahesh Babu image to this poster here. Okay, simply. Okay, now we will just increase the size. Okay, is it clear, all of you? See, now the hair is looking nice. Are you all getting my point? Right. So once we got till here, see. So now we will do one thing. I am going to, we can actually flip this if you want. Let's flip this, okay? Flip horizontal. So this is better, right? Right. So now, see, here we have to put the thumbs up bottle. Okay, so we'll put thumbs up bottle, and in case you want to give some glow to this, you can give. But okay, let us ignore this. We don't need any glow. So what you can do now? So we'll get the bottle. So I'm going to get this thumbs up bottle. So I want to remove this background. So what you can do now? Anybody can tell how to remove the background?
Magic eraser, sir.
Magic eraser is okay. So let us use a magic eraser. Okay, it's gone. Still there is some small thing is there. What we'll do, we'll just try to increase the tolerance level. We'll keep the tolerance somewhere around 45 and then click again. Okay, now it's done. Let us zoom it. See, there is some small amount of okay, is it clear, all of you? Right. So once it is done,
Yes, sir.
see, actually this thumbs up bottle will be very small actually if I drag it into this big poster. So we can do one thing, it may become blurry, so we will just right click and convert to smart object. Always convert it to smart object. If not, what will happen? It may become blurry if you try to maximize the size.
Yes, sir.
See, so how much small it is? It's very small. So just scale it now. So I'm going to rotate it like this. Right? So I kept it like this. Now we'll do one more thing. So I'm going to get the water splash also. Okay. So let me get the water splash now. So we can get water splash. So I have downloaded this image from unsplash.com. Okay. Unsplash.com, there is a website. Okay, you can check that website. I think I told you about that website, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So from this, what you'll do is I want only this.
The command plus.
Okay, I only want this water splashes. So what I can do? So if I want only water splashes, I'm just going to draw a selection here. So just select it till here. So we can give some small feather amount, and then I'm going to just simply drag it. So now I want to remove that black color. So anybody can tell how to remove that black color? You can stretch it, okay? It's no problem. Anybody can tell how to remove that black color? Nobody can tell.
Blend modes, sir.
So we can use blend modes, right? And Srikanth Rao, are you there? Srikanth Rao. Srikanth Rao, can you hear me? What happened? Why you are not coming last class? Or last two classes? What is the problem? Huh? Journey చేస్తుండే. Okay, right. Okay, and one more thing, all of you have completed their fees payments.
Sir. Sir.
See, please, right now the situation is very difficult, so all of you try to pay your fees on time. Okay. So anybody has pending fees, please talk to the management and complete your fees payment. Okay, right. So now what is the next steps here? Just we will try to remove the black. So what is the blend mode we have to use to remove the black? Anybody can tell?
Screen, sir. Screen.
We'll
Sir.
use screen. Okay, so you can use screen, or let us see color dodge. Color dodge is okay, but I think screen is better, right? Screen looks more realistic. Okay, right. So the thing we'll do is here. So we'll try to, if you want more impact, you can duplicate this like that. See, now it's more. Then you can do one thing, you can merge these two layers, but again you have to use screen. Then I will just simply, you can stretch it, okay, because it is anyways, it's a splash, so you can stretch it, no problem, right? And then you can try to keep this it's getting selected. You'll lock this. Okay, you can keep it like this. We'll make it a little bit big. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right. So now this is okay, right? And in case you want to remove some unwanted these drops or unwanted splashes, you can give a mask to this. You can apply a mask, and then say for example some splashes are falling on this Mahesh Babu. So what I can do, I can just use a brush. We will use which brush? Soft round brush, and then I can use this color, black color, and I can remove the splashes from unwanted places like this. So is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Right. Okay. So now we will start with the next thing is, see, we will start with the caption here. Okay. So the title is Corona Hatao. Okay. Corona Hatao. So what we'll do is we will start with the title, and here see we can create groups. See, I told you how to create a groups last class. Okay.
Yes,
Yes, sir. Control G.
So these things we can create a group. Always try to organize the layers properly. That's a very important thing. Control G, and then we can images. Okay, chief guest, or you can say chief guest images. Try to organize the layers properly. Images or what, text. This is a text actually. So we can put these images, all these three, inside this group. Okay, so something like this. And then okay, we can also create a group for this background. Okay, Control G, and then we can say background. So now see, our layer stack will look neat. Always remember that your layer stack has to be very neat. Okay. So what is the next step we have to do? So once we have done this, so we can also put this one actually inside this. Okay, chief guest, and we can give proper naming to this. Okay, thumbs up bottle. Okay, I'm not going to put it in a group. If you want, you can put it, and you can say water splash. Then for this we can say Mahesh Babu. Okay, right. So now our layer stack looks very neat. Okay, now the next step. So we have to start with the title. So the title is, we'll say Corona Hatao. Also we'll say Corona Hatao event, or we'll say just Corona Hatao. Okay, this is better. And see, the text we will be using is, see what type of font we will be using. See, I will tell you, there is one font called Comic Sans. See here, Comic Sans. See, so this font looks nice for this event. Okay, is it clear, all of you? And what I will do is, see, instead of keeping it just normally like this, we have to increase the size of this, so it should look big, because title should always look big. So what you will do now, we'll make it 400. Okay, $450 is better. Okay, so and then we will make it look different. Okay, we will apply this warp text effects. Is it clear, all of you? Are you all able to understand?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, so see, I am going to apply a warp text. We will say we will apply something like a flag, and then what we will do, how it should look actually. So we can make it a little bit. So we can use the horizontal distortion and vertical distortion. Okay. So once we have done like this, see, we can do one more interesting things. I will tell you what is that interesting thing we can do. Okay. Actually, let me reduce it a little bit. Okay. See, I am going to get a selection of it. Okay. First, we will give it some different color. So let me give it a reddish color. Okay. We will give red color. And see, what I will do is I am going to get a selection for this. So how we can get selection for this? See, I want to selection for this. Control and click on this T. Control and click on this T.
Okay.
And I'm going to expand this selection. Okay, understand this. I'm going to expand this
Sir.
selection. So we'll first save it also, because if you don't save it, once again it's a problem for us. So how to expand the selection now? See here, just take a new layer. Okay, and then we'll go to the select, and then here see we have modify expand. So we'll expand it by, we'll say 40. See here, we'll expand it even further, 100. Okay, and we'll expand it even further, 140. Okay, is it clear, all of you? See, I have expanded the selection. Now let me apply the white color to this. Okay, and then let me keep it over here. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So something like this. And then what I am going to do is I am going to just will give some layer styles to this. Okay, so just apply a layer style. We'll apply a different layer style to this. We'll say inside. And we can give some gradient also in case we want. Right? We'll give some yellowish gradient. Okay, so we'll use reflected here. So is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And then we will use drop shadow. See, we can do something. Right. So see, something like this we can create out of a title. And in case you want to give some layer style to the inside text, you can also do it. Just double click on this. Then what I can do is we'll just give some drop shadow to this. See here. Okay, so we can do something like this. And you can give also stroke, and we can give some different color stroke to this. Keep the stroke very small. Right. So something like this we can create, and then we can just group these two layers. Ctrl G, and then we can give it a name. Corona Hatao. Okay, so something like this. Is it clear, all of you?
Sir.
Sir.
Right. So the title is now completed, and then we can make small thing here below this like Desh Bachao. You can, I think some of you can understand Hindi, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So something like this. So we can give some. We will give some white stroke or okay. and also some drop shadow also. Okay. So once this is done, now we will the next thing we'll do is, see, I'm going to get the sponsors, okay, and also we will also put the we will also put the tickets and because this is an event in parade grounds, we also have to get a label. We also have to put the label. So how we can do that? See, so for labels, let us get the label from a website. So which website? Let me go to this freepik.com. Okay, so I am going to get labels from this website. So let us type label. Okay, see, here we have many labels, but for our thing, I think this looks nice. We'll take this one, this label. The center one is looking nice. Grunge. So we'll just paste it over here. Okay, I will just extract this. Okay, and let me open it in Photoshop. So what is the next thing we have to do? See, we will remove this background. So how to remove the background? So we can use magic eraser. Okay, then we only want this one. So we'll just cut it, Ctrl X cut, Ctrl Shift V, and then I'm going to right click and convert to smart object, right. And then simply we'll drag this. I think its color is a problematic thing. Let's actually give it a different
Red one, sir.
Okay, red one is nice, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then we'll take red one. You can also take yellow one because yellow is the opposite color. So we'll just convert to smart object and then we'll just simply drag it like this. So let me increase it. I think this Desh Bachao should be in white color, I think, because it's not looking proper in red color. So you can do that. Okay. So then here, for this one, we will do one thing. We will also give some layer styles to this. So here actually, we'll type book tickets. Okay, book tickets. And then we'll put a phone number. Okay, before that we will just simply crop shadow and then we'll give some stroke also. Okay, so something like this. Okay, is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Right. So what you have to do now here, see, let me put this. We'll use book tickets. Tickets spelling, what is that? Okay, so always this white color looks nice. So we'll not use any other color here. Okay. Okay, so just he'll say book tickets, and then we'll just use a phone icon. Okay, I think we have used phone icon in the last class.
UI design.
UI
UI
design.
design.
So we'll just get that same icon here. So I think we have downloaded it. So where is that phone icon? So this one. So now I want which color inside? White color, right? So we have to use a magic wand. So let me expand the selection a little bit. Expand by 4. Okay, and we'll give it a red color. Okay, and we will give this one yellow color. Yellow is opposite of blue color.
Blue, sir.
So that is why we'll give yellow color, and then we will just convert it into smart object, and then I'm going to drag it. Let's keep it here. See, always you have to convert to smart object. If not, it will be a headache for you. Okay. So what is the next step we have to do? So we will just put the number here. So what is the number? So whatever number you want, you can put. But it should have 10 numbers. Okay, 10 figures. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. We'll say 9. So it's a dummy number. Don't try to call this number. I don't know whose number is this. So just we will give it a white color. Simply white color. And for this one we'll also try to, for this phone icon, we'll give some layer style, simple layer style like a drop shadow, and we can also give some stroke also. Okay, is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now see, we just have some more things that, see, people should know where this event is taking place. So, and we have to put in which place actually. Okay, so see here, we have placed this book tickets here. So we need a place here. So what we'll do is I'm going to just reduce this thumbs up bottle, because it is occupying too much space. We need some empty space here, so that we can put the address details also. Are you all getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let me actually group these things. It's always a good idea to group. So thumbs up, splash. Okay, and then just we'll make it a little bit small, so that there will be some space. Okay, you can start it, in case if you want, you can start it from here. Okay, so now there is some space here, right? Then we can also keep these two things. We'll group these things, make it a habit to group book tickets. Okay, and then I will just try to move it a little bit. Okay, okay, I think we have not
Group
Group
this.
this and
okay, we have not grouped it, this one. Also keep it inside it. Okay, so is it clear, all of you? See, now there is a empty space. So now there is a space for us, so that we can now put the extra content. Right. So now what you can do here? So we have to put this parade grounds. Okay. So we'll get one more label here. So how we can get the label?
Free pick
Free pick on sir.
Okay, we'll get from free pick only. So I think don't keep it, don't put something totally artificial. Let us see which one is going to be nice. We can use these things if we want. Okay. You can use these things, but they are looking too professional. Okay, we don't need that much professional looks. And we can use these things. We'll see. We can also try PSD. Let us see if we can get any PSD labels. Just simply type labels here. So PSD means Photoshop labels. Photoshop labels, you're not going to get that many. So not many Photoshop labels are available. You can use this actually. This is nice. Okay, we'll use this. See, this is a PSD file, I think. Are you all getting my point? So let me extract it. See, this is a PSD file. Are you all getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Direct means directly I have downloaded, means I can do editing directly in Photoshop. I can change this, I can change this matter. Okay. So what I can do now? I can just remove the text. I can put my own text here. And also I can remove the background. I don't want this back. I can use this one only. So what I can do? I can just simply type parade grounds. Okay. Or I can do one thing. I can also take this to the I can take this to the that poster and also design. See here. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Parade grounds, Secunderabad. You can also put Secunderabad. ह्यूमा आपको समझ में आ रहा क्या?
समझ में आ रहा।
ओके गुड। यूआई डिज़ाइन आप भेजना है नेक्स्ट क्लास, ओके?
क्या सर?
यूआई डिज़ाइन लास्ट क्लास you have attended na?
Yes
Okay,
sir.
you have to show me that work.
Okay sir.
Right. So now we can give some small drop shadows. Let me give it just now we have to just drag this apex and keep it here, okay? And then what you can do next? Paragon, Sikandrabad, and what else we can do? Here we have to put the date, right? So you can say today what is the Sunday's date? We'll put on Sunday. Sunday is 23rd, right? (23), 23rd, 23rd May. Okay, 23rd May, and then we can give the same color, same layer style to this. Okay, are you all getting my point? And here we'll put the timings. 11 a.m. p.m.
AM అయితే బాగుంటుంది సార్.
AM means morning, right? Okay. Then we'll just put the same styles to this. Okay. So now once we are done with all these things, so I will just select all these things. Then I will just convert this to smart object. Is it clear, all of you? I have now converted it into smart object, and then we will where is our file? So it's over here. Let me close all these things, okay? So let me drag this to over here, okay? Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Okay, so we can keep it, and to make it more interesting, so what we can do is here we can put the sponsors, okay? We can put some small sponsors over here, and what else we can do? Okay, see, I'm just coming in 2 minutes. Everybody please be online, just 2 minutes, okay?
అది
ఏంట్రా అది?
ఇంట్లో
ఇట్లా కిక్ బండస్ కి చూస్తున్నారు, పొందుతాం తప్పదు. श्रीकांत राव तग्गिनारा करोना మీకు
అయ్యా
సంతోష్ పిన్ మారా
All right. Okay. Just I went to washroom. Okay. Everybody is there now.
yes sir
Right.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now we'll finish it off by putting the sponsors. Okay, sponsors and just a small caption. Okay. So what I'm going to do is here. So let me get the sponsors. So what are the sponsors? Anybody can tell? We'll take one Airtel. Okay, Airtel. So just save as. And we'll use one more thing like what is another thing? Peter England. Okay. Okay. And then we'll take one more. So what is that? Binani cement. Okay, we'll say, or we'll say, do we have any other cement factory? Priya Cement. Huh? Okay, here Priya Cement is there. Yeah, this one. Is it clear, all of you? Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So we can keep it over this in this place, okay? Because we'll put something else over here. So what we can do is just let us get those things. So these are the 3 sponsors. So let me cut this. Control X, Control Shift V, and in case you want to remove this background, you can remove. And then we have to make it into a smart object. So don't forget this. Okay. We have to make it into a smart object. Let's close all these things. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we'll keep the Priya cement, and then what is the other things? So where is Airtel? Yeah. So Airtel also we will convert to smart object. Simply drag. Don't forget to convert to smart objects. Okay, that is very important here. We need at least 3 sponsors. Okay. The another one is what? Peter and Guy. Okay. So right click, convert to smart object. Okay, is it clear, all of you? Right. Okay. So once we have done these things, in case you want to give some layer styles to this, you can give. Okay. So then, so what you can do? And then so we can just put one more caption, that is meet Mahesh. Okay, so we'll say, I'll give it 150. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we'll just so we'll actually keep both these things in the same folder. Okay. Okay. Then we'll just simply keep it over here. You can give some layer styles to this, but let's keep it like this only. Okay. Okay. Like this. And then in case you want to give some layer styles, you can give. Okay. Simply you can double click, and then we can just slight layer style we can give. Drop shadow. Right. And this one, so this one also we have to make it a little bit big, because people should be knowing the address. Okay. Right. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now the last and final step we are having, that is, so to export this. So we have to export this poster. So how we can export this poster? Because we have to give it for print. Are you all getting my points? We have to give it for print.
Sir.
Sir.
So how we can give it for print? Design is completed. Now just we only have to give it for print. So we have to, whenever we want to give it for print, so we have to convert this to CMYK color mode. Understand this? We have to convert the poster to CMYK color mode. So how we can convert? First we have to take a common layer. So how to take a common layer? Control Alt Shift to
50.
Control Alt Shift to E.
50.
So now we have a common layer here. So once you have taken a common layer, so now I can actually remove these guides simply. We don't need these guides anymore. So now all I have to do is convert it into CMYK color mode. So what I can do? Simply image mode CMYK. Are you all able to see? Image mode CMYK. So just simply click on this and then we'll say don't merge. Okay, don't merge, and then don't rasterize. See, the moment I click on this, see, you will now see the color is little bit dark. When I click OK here, now just observe the color. See, observe the color of the poster. It will become a little bit light. See, just it is looking. See, now can you see the difference? Can you see the difference?
Sir.
See, now the color is a little bit light. The color is a little bit light now. So now we only have one thing to do now. That is save this. Save this as a JPG file. And once we save it as a JPG file, now that is over. We can directly take the file and give it for print. So we'll be designing a 10 feet by, will be completing a 10 feet by 6 feet poster. Okay, so just I'm going to save this. So what I will do, we'll say event poster, okay, or Mahesh, or say Corona event poster. Just will save this and just I will click, and you see that it is going to take some time. See, you can see here it is taking time because it's a large poster. So now we have completed the design of our poster, right? Then just we'll do one thing, we'll check the output here. See, this is our poster. Okay, is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now our poster is ready for print. Directly now you can take this file and give it for print. So you will get a very large big file. Means you will be, it's like giving print for flex printing. Directly we'll be giving for flex printing. Understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is how we can do the poster designing. Only thing is,
Sir.
in the end you have to convert it into CMYK color mode. Okay.